Hello. All right, this is Blue. Let's gonna stick him
Get him
up
on
for
the
you.
table. You know what's right there.
There you go. He's a very pretty puppy. He has a very nice light fawn coat. It's nice and short. He has good angulation and a nice top line. Beautiful face.
That's good.
Okay, now I'm gonna come around, show you his rear. Following my dog over here. There you go. And now I'll come around and show you the front. Sorry. Okay. Boop, boop, boop. Hey, Owen, come on, let's see. Okay, thank you.